today we're going to go over the oblique lunge. So it targets two areas, one your hip and two your ankle. So to target the hip more, we're going to bring our leg to about 45 degrees, and then you want to have it a little bit farther out in front so you really target this hip area. With your shoulders faced forward towards the wall, you're going to just translate to the side, kind of hold that stretch a little bit, and nice and controlled on the way back. Once again, you're going to really activate that core to kind of make everything nice and strong throughout the movement. Nice and slow. You should really feel it in that hip. And then for the ankle, you're going to bring your foot closer and then really translate once again to the side and come back, trying to keep that heel on the ground, and then really challenge that into dorsiflexion. If you need an extra challenge to kind of keep yourself upright, you can get a kettlebell, put it behind you to keep your shoulders nice and upright, and then same kind of thing. Translate to the side and come back nice and controlled.